Hello and welcome, dear friends. I am truly honored to have you here today. Whether you are watching this from the comfort of your home, during a break at work, or while on the go, I want to thank you for taking the time to invest in yourself. Today, we are going to explore a topic that is both profound and practical, a skill that, when mastered, has the potential to transform every aspect of your life. That skill is communication. Now, you might be thinking, communication is not that something we all do every day, and you are right. We communicate constantly through our words, our action, our expressions, and even our silence. But the question is, are we doing it effectively? Are we using the powerful tool to build bridge, foster understanding, and create meaningful connections? In this video, we all delve deep into the essence of communications, understand its impact on our professional and personal lives, and learn actionable strategies to enhance this vital skill. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Understanding communications. Let's start by understanding what communication truly is. At its core, communication is the exchange of information, ideas, thought, and feeling between individuals. It's not just about speaking, it's about listening, observing, and responding. It's a two-way street that involves both expressions and reception. Effective communication is the foundation of all successful relationships, be it with family, friends, colleague, or even stranger. It's the key to resolving conflict, expressing need, or building trust. Consider this. Have you ever had a conversation where you felt truly heard and understood? How did that make you feel? Valued, respected, empowered? That is the power of effective communication. The impact of communication on personal growth. Now, let's talk about how communication influences personal growth. Developing strong communication skills can lead to increased self confidence, better decision making, and enhanced intelligence. When you can articulate your thoughts and feelings clearly, you learn more about yourself. You become more aware of your values, goals, and desire. This self awareness is the cornerstone of personal development. Moreover, effective communication allows you to set healthy boundaries, express your needs assertively, and build stronger relationships. It empowers you to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Communication in professional success. In the professional, communication is equally crucial. Whether you are collaborating with a team, presenting ideas to stakeholders, or networking with industry peers, your ability to communicate effectively can make or break your success. Strong communicators are often seen as leaders. They inspire confidence, foster collaboration, and drive innovation. They can articulate their vision, listen to feedback, and adapt their message to different audience. Imagine you are in a job interview. Your qualifications are impressive, but it's your communication skill that will leave a lasting impression. The way you convey your experience, express your enthusiasm, and engage with the interviewer can set you apart from other candidates. Barriers to effective communications. Despite its importance, many of us face barriers to effective communication. These can include worrying about how others will perceive us can hinder our ability to express ourselves honestly. Lack of confidence, doubting our communication abilities can lead to hesitation and self. Cultural differences. Misunderstandings can arise from differing communications style and norms. Emotional baggages. Past experiences can influence how we interpret messages and respond to others. Recognizing these barriers is the first step toward overcoming them. By addressing these challenges, we can create more open and authentic communication channels. Strategies to enhance communication skills. Now let's explore practical strategies to enhance your communication skill. Active listening. Truly listen to understand, not just to respond. Give your full attention. Maintain eye contact and avoid interrupting. Clarity and conciseness. Be clear and to the point. Avoid jargon and ensure your message is easily understood. Non-verbal communication. Pay attention to body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. These cues can convey emotions and attitudes. Empathy. Try to understand things from the other person's perspective. Empathy fosters connection and trust. Feedback. Seek and provide constructive feedback. It's a tool for growth and improvement. Confidence. Believe in your message and deliver it with conviction. Confidence can be contagious. Adaptability. Tailor your communication style to suit different audiences and situations. Practice. Like any skill, communication improves with practice. Engage in conversation, practical, participate in discussions, and seek opportunities to speak publicly. The role of technology in communications. In today's digital age, technology play a significant role in how we communicate. Emails, social media, videos, calls, and instant messaging have transformed our interactions. While these tools offer conveniences, these also present challenges. Misinterpretations can due to the absence of non-verbal cues. Therefore, it's to be mindful of our digital communications. Tone. Be aware of your message. Might be perceived. Use appropriate language and punctuations. Clarity. Ensure your message is clear. Remember, technology should enhance, not replace, human connection whenever possible. Opt for face-to-face or voice conversation to build deeper relationship. Communication and emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions and those of others, is closely linked to communication. By developing emotional intelligence, we become more to the emotional dynamic of our interactions. We can respond with empathy, manage confidence effectively, and build stronger connections. To enhance emotional intelligence, self-awareness. Reflect on your emotions and triggers. Self-regulation. Practice managing your emotional responses. Motivation. Cultivate and positive attitude and resilience. Social skills. Develop interpersonal skills to navigate social complexities. As we conclude this journey, I want to leave you with this thought: communication is more than a skill, it's a bridge of understanding, a catalyst for growth, and a beacon of connection. By honoring your communication abilities, you unlock the power to transform your life and the lives of those around you. Embrace this journey with curiosity, courage, and compassion. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Let's continue to grow and inspire each other. Until next time, keep communicated with purpose and passion.